Testicle replacement surgery is a minor surgical procedure performed usually by a urologist. This is to replace either one or both testicles. In most cases at Moorgate Andrology, we see men coming for testicle replacement surgery when they've usually lost one testicle, either through trauma or through disease. The procedure takes around an hour and it's done under general anaesthetic. Depending on the type of work you do, you will need to arrange a few days off work after the operation. It's a very successful procedure in most cases. The replacement testicle will be of the same or similar size to the real one. So everything will look very natural when the surgery is completed. If you'd like to learn more about testicle replacement surgery, then please get in touch with us and arrange for a consultation with one of our urologists. Thanks for watching.